And the last one, which is find or replace, that here if I click on uh, find and replace, then this window will be opened afterwards. From a scope we got these options, but if I select the text and then I click on find or replace, as you can see, all of the options in a scope are available. As you can see, current selection, will check or find something in the selected text. The next one is the current view, that we can set it to the current view or in the entire project. For instance, we can search for a text in the entire project. And the point here is that, when we choose each one for the scope, should know that find or replace works out only on the texts that are created using the text tool. So the texts in the project web browser and in the scheduling tables and also the tags cannot be found at using find and replace. So firstly, I add bin that I want to look for it. Then if I click on find next, the first word will be founded. But if I click on find all, then all of the results will be shown. Let me try again. Find all, look, all of them, that as you can see we got only one matched result. Found in level 1 and floor plan, that if I set it to current view, then beam will be found in all of the, in the current view. Let me try again, current view, find all of them are enlisted, and the views and the view type. If I set it to entire project, look, like this way, but note that we only have this text in level 1, not other levels. And if I set it to match case, this time the cases must be matched. So the capital and small cases of the words do matter here. Watch this. So if you have written the text using upper cases, you can choose match case in order to find the exact word matched with the uppercase. The next one is match whole word only. There are some words like, for instance, the vowel. Let me make a copy out of it, like this way, or vowels, or WAL. I make another copy, two, and double O, tool, tools, and so on. Then I click on find and replace. Then if I search for two and then I click on find all, as you can see, we have searched for all of the O's. But if I check match whole word only the complete word that matches with the defined word will be founded. Watch this, tool, I add S. As you can see, we got only one since I have set it to match whole word only. Again, beam, and also we can replace it with a beam inside bracket. Replace all. Watch this, 3 items out of 3 items replaced, like this way. Check it out. Right now the beams are placed inside the brackets since the text is replaced. So this is how find and replace work. And another point about the check spelling and find or replace is that if you are working with your other partners in a collaboration, let me save the file as, and then I want to convert it to a collaborating or work sharing file. After that, I save the file and then I click on yes to convert it to a central file. And then suppose that you got a central file and you are working on the central file in work sharing with your parents. However, if you are interested in collaborate, you can enroll in our collaboration course. And right now I just want you to know that the texts are considered as the work sets. I mean, if a text is added by your partner or by your colleague, then you can see the text, since the texts are shared between you all. And you might not be the owner of the the work set actually. And if I want to check this, watch this. Revit finished spell checking the selection. I mean, sometimes Revit does not allow us to check the spelling. So you can select the text, right click, and then you can click on make work sets editable or make elements editable. I click on elements editable. Afterwards we can edit it. Right now if I check it, we can check the spelling and also for the find and replace. You're not allowed to find or replace something because of work sharing, and here edited by is not available for us. And whoever edits the file, whose names will be shown there, that you have to right click on the text, make element or the text editable, so then you can replace something. And also on the sheets, let me duplicate a view from the floor plan. Afterwards, right click on the view, let me open the sheets, I create a right click, let me see, I get back to this part, and then make workset editable. Watch this, make workset editable. I click on it, so we are allowed to edit the texts or replace something with something else. Otherwise, we are not allowed to do that.